Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to delete your friends from Venmo using the mobile application. First, log into your account and click on Me in order to open your profile. After that, click on your friends count right here. And if you are using the new interface of the application, you should click on your friends count from here. After that, a list of your friends will be displayed and they are ordered by alphabetics. You should select the friend you want to delete by clicking on his name or his profile picture to open his profile. After that, click on Friends in order to show this pop-up that asks you to confirm if you want to really unfriend this person. You should verify by clicking Unfriend. And yeah, you have successfully deleted this person from your Venmo account. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.